Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your passwords after updating to iOS 18. If you don't see it, it's because it has been changed and this is how you can find it. So let's get started. So if you look into your setting, there is no password settings right here because it's been completely moved to a new section or a new app called Passwords. So in order to find this app, you're going to look for it on your phone. It's going to look like this. This is developed by Apple in order to store your password, passkeys. So if I tap open it, it's going to say welcome to the Passwords app. Again, this is Apple's own default app which allow you to save your passwords that you saved it before. They have secure encryption and then other seamless integration as well. So hit continue here, and then if you want autofill or not, I'm just going to leave it as is, turned on, and then notification if you want that. If you don't, doesn't matter. Here you'll see all of your different types of password that you have, all of them, and then some of that have security issues, Wi-Fi password, passkeys. All of them are going to list it. If you have shared password, they're going to be listed as well. So if I tap on it, you can see here, you can see some of the accounts, username. If I tap on it, I'll be able to see the password for it as well. So if you tap on one, you'll be able to go ahead and view the password by tapping on that, which I will not do. And that'll give you an idea if it's been compromised, if you want to change it or not. And you can see here for all of them, right, the password is going to be listed if you have a password for it. So just tap on it and you'll see the password for it right there for you. Now, if you're not seeing this app on your iPhone, don't worry. You can also download it from the App Store. Like I said, it is developed by Apple. So what you're going to do is go to the App Store, go to search here, search for exactly like it says, passwords. Search for that, and then you're going to look for exactly this one that's from Apple. Don't download any other one. As you can see at the time of recording, this is how many rating it has, and you know this is the correct one because it says from Apple. You'll see the symbol. You'll click on get, or so you can install, and once you install it, everything that you saved in your passwords will appear on that app just like that. So that's how you find your passwords on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.